Hello students, this is your math teacher Pooja Garg. Welcome you all in my online classes for class 10th mathematics. And before going to start today's topic, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Power of Mathematics by Pooja Garg. Students, in today's video lecture, we'll continue chapter number 9, some applications of trigonometry. Though we have started this chapter in last video, so today we will do some more word problems based on trigonometry. Now students, we will do question number 10, which says two poles of equal heights are standing opposite each other on either side of the road, which is 80 meter wide. From the point between them on the road, the angle of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. Find the height of the poles and the distance of the point from the poles. So first of all, we'll make a figure. Here you can see AB and CD are two poles. And here you can observe as the height of these poles are equal, so we can take AB is equals to CD. Now there is a point on the road. So you can observe this BC is considered as a road which is 80 meter wide and P point is on the road. And here we can see the angle of elevation from that point to the top of the poles as 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. So in this case you can observe here we need to find the height of the poles, that is AB and DC, and the distance of the point from the poles, that is BP and PC. So let's see now how we will do this. Now see students how to solve it further. Since poles are perpendicular to the ground, so it means angle B and angle C both are 90 degree. Now we'll consider these right triangles one by one. So first of all we'll consider triangle DPC, in which tan theta is equals to opposite side divided by adjacent side, means perpendicular upon base, where theta is 30 degree. So it means tan 30 degree is equals to CD upon CP. Just substitute the value of tan 30, which is equals to 1 by root 3, which is equals to CD upon CP. After solving, we'll get the value of CD as CP upon under root 3. Give this equation number 1. Now we'll consider next triangle, that is triangle APB. Again I am going to apply tan theta, which is equals to AB upon PB. Now substitute the values as theta is here 60 degree, means tan 60 degree is equals to AB upon PB. So we will get AB is equals to under root 3 BP. Now what we will do, we will just replace this AB by CD because both are equal as given to us in the question. So take this equation number second. Now from first and second equation you can observe CP upon root 3 is equals to root 3 into BP. After solving we will get CP is equals to 3 times of BP. Now what we will do, as you know that BC is equals to 80 meter, right, length of road. So can I write this BC as BP plus CP? So yes. Now substitute the value in place of BC, put 80, BP as it is, CP right now as it is. But again in place of CP we will put the value, that is 3 times of BP. Now here BP plus 3 times of BP is equals to 4 times of BP. So it means the value of BP is what? 20 meters. So here I got the value of BP. So here you can observe now. In this you can observe here we got the value of BP as 20 meter. So can I find now CP? So yes, we can just subtract BP from the length of BC. It means BC minus BP is equals to 60 meter. So I got the value of PC as well, which is equals to 60 meter. Now you can cross verify also. 20 plus 60 gives 80 meter. Okay. Now what we will do, we have to find the value of CD, right, because we have to find the length of poles as well. So as you know that CD is equals to under root 3 times of BP's. Put the value of BP as 20, we'll get the value of CD as 20 under root 3 meter. So it means the height of poles, that is AB is equals to CD, which gives 20 under root 3 meter. Fine. And the distance of point P from pole CD is 60 meter and the distance of point P from pole AB is equals to 20 meter. So hence done. I hope this question is clear to you. Now students, we will take question number 12. From the top of 7 meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of the cable tower is 60 degree and the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degree. Determine the height of the tower. So first of all, we'll try to make a accurate diagram. So let's see. Here you will consider this AB as a height of building, which is 7 meter high, and EC as a tower. And the angle made from the top of the building to the top of the tower is 60 degree, means this is angle of elevation, and the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degree, means from top of the building to foot of the tower the angle of depression is made, that is 45 degree. So here you can observe, let building be AB, tower be CE, and according to this height of the building is 7 meter. Now from the top of the building, angle of elevation is 60 degree. It means angle EAD is what? 60 degree. Same way angle of depression is 45 degree, means angle CAD is 45 degree. So in this question we need to find height of tower, that is CE. So let's see. Now student, you can consider this figure. Here you can observe AB is a building and EC is a cable tower, right, in which you can observe, as you know, AB and DC are parallel to each other because both tower and building are vertical to the ground, means makes 90 degree angle, means these two are parallel. And here we can observe AB is equals to CD, which is equals to 7 meter. Also we can see AD and BC are parallel to each other, and if they are parallel to each other and AC act as a transversal line, so we can see that angle ACB and angle DAC both are equals to 45 degree, and the reason behind it is alternative interior angle. Now what we will do, we will consider this triangle ABC, and again I am going to consider a trigonometric ratio. So here you can observe, I need to find the length of BC, that is base, right, and perpendicular is given to you, so we will take 10 theta, which is equals to opposite side divided by adjacent side. Just substitute the value. Here theta is 45 degrees, so 1045 is equals to AB upon BC. So 1045 degrees is equals to 1, which is equals to AB upon BC. Substitute the value of AB as well, which is equals to 7. So we will get the value of BC as 7 meter. Now you can observe BC is equals to AD. So it means we can here see BC as 7 centimeter. So it means AD is also 7 centimeter. Right. Now we will consider right triangle ADE. Again I am going to apply 10 theta, which is equals to 1060 degree gives ED upon AD. Now what we will do, just we will substitute the values of 1060 degree as well as of AD, and we'll get the value of ED. So let's see how we will get it. So after substituting the values, we will get it as under root 3 is equals to ED upon AD. So now in place of AD put 7. After solving you will get the value of ED as 7 under root 3. Now we need to find the height of tower, and you know that height of tower is what? EC, and EC I can write it as AD plus DC. Now substitute the value of ED and DC as 7 under root 3 plus 7 respectively. So take 7 as common and we will get 7 into under root 3 plus 1 meter as a height of tower. I hope this question is clear to you. Now students, you can observe question number 13, which says that an observer from the top of 75 meter high lighthouse from the sea level, the angle of depression of two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. If one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of lighthouse, find the distance between two ships. So let's see the figure. Consider this AD as a lighthouse which is 75 meter high, right? And here you can see this is a horizontal level because an observer is observing from the top of this lighthouse, right? The angle of depression of first ship, that is 45 degrees. So here you can observe first ship you can let it as on the point C and second ship on point B, because both the ships are on the same side of the lighthouse. Clear? So here angle PAC is equals to 45 degree. Same way for second ship, angle of depression is 30 degree. It means angle PAB is 30 degree. So according to this question, we have to find the distance between these two ships, that is BC. So let's see how to solve it further. Now students, you can observe in this figure, as you can see, this PA is parallel to BD and AB act as a transversal line. So it means angle PAB is equals to angle ABD, which is equals to 30 degree, and the reason is alternative interior angle. In the same manner, you can observe for these angles, angle PAC and angle ACD. Again, these are also equal because these are alternative interior angle, which is equals to 45 degree. And this AD is a lighthouse which is perpendicular to the ground and which is 90 degree angle, right? Now what we will do, we will consider these triangles, right? Triangles one by one. So first of all, I am going to consider this triangle ACD. So here tan 45 degree is equals to AD upon CD. Just substitute the value. We'll get the value of CD as 75 meter. In the same manner, you can consider triangle ADB, in which we'll consider tan 30 degree is equals to AD upon BD. After solving, we'll get the value of BD as 75 under root 3 meters. Now you can observe in this figure, we have the value of BD, which is equals to 75 under root 3, and the value of CD, which is 75 meter, right? And we have to find here BC. So what we will do, we will subtract CD from BD. So let's see how to subtract and what we will get. So here you can observe that BC plus CD is equals to what? BD. Just substitute the value, we'll get the value of BC, which is equals to 75 into under root 3 minus 1 meter. So hence we can say that the distance between two ships is 75 into under root 3 minus 1 meters. I hope this is clear to you. Now students, we will discuss last question of this exercise, that is question number 15, which says that a straight highway leads to the foot of tower. A man standing on the top of the tower observes a car at an angle of depression 30 degree which is approaching the foot of the tower with uniform speed. 6 seconds later, the angle of depression of car is found to be 60 degree. Find the time taken by a car to reach the foot of the tower from this point. So let's first of all, we'll make a figure. Here you can observe this DC as a tower and a man is standing on the tower, suppose at point D, who is observing a car on the highway. So here suppose car position is at point A. Now if he is observing this car, so you can observe which makes an angle of depression equals to 30 degree. So this is horizontal level and this is line of sight and this is angle 30, means angle of depression. As this angle is 30 means this is also 30 degrees. These are alternative interior angle. Now when this car is approaching towards the foot of the tower, means after 6 seconds the angle of depression of car is found to be 60. Means now this angle changes to 60 degree. If this is 60 means this angle is also 60 degree. Again the reason is same, alternative interior angle. So here we have to find how much time this car will take to reach the foot of the tower from this point. Fine. So here the time already given from A to B, it takes 6 seconds. Now we have to find how much time it will take from point B to C. So let's see. Here we'll consider height of tower DC as h meter and the speed of car will consider as x meter per seconds. So first of all, you will find the distance covered by a car from point A to B, which is equals to 6x meters. And you know why 6x meters? As you know, distance is equals to speed into time. So here beta speed is x and the time is 6 seconds. It means the total distance covered by this car from point A to B is what? 6x. Now let the time taken by car from point B to C, let it be as t seconds. So tell me what will be the distance now. So it means the distance covered by this car from point B to C is what? X into t meters. Again formula is same, speed into time. Now what we will do next, we will consider these right triangles one by one to find this values. So here you can observe now in this triangle DCB, we will take tan 60 degrees equals to DC upon BC. Substitute the values, you will get the value of H as under root 3 into T into X. Give this as equation number 1. Now consider another right triangle, that is ACD, in which theta is 30 degree. So it means tan theta is equals to DC upon AC. Now what we have done, AC we can write it as AB plus BC, means 6x plus TX. Just substitute the value, solve it. And here you can observe, take x is common from this side, you will left with 6 plus t, which is equals to under root 3. In place of h, you can put the value as under root 3 into t into x from equation number 1. Solve it for t. X and x will cancel out. Solve for t. So t value will get it as 3 seconds. It means we can conclude that the required time taken by this car is what? 3 seconds. Means time taken by this car to reach from point B to point C is how much? 3 seconds. I hope this question is clear to you. Now students, remaining parts of exercise number 9.1 you will do as a home task, and if you have any doubt or queries, please attend your WebEx sessions, and thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.